Hello students, this is Katrina Oates, your module coordinator for Critical Analysis of Teaching, and I would just like to show you a very quick navigational tour around the Moodle site for this module. This is a different sort of arrangement from some you might have previously been used to. The Critical Analysis of Teaching module Moodle site is actually a info site, so it operates slightly differently. It is difficult to update, and I would just like to show you what the main features are so that you can find the relevant material for your own specialism. Some areas are generic and some are subject specific. So if we go to the initial announcements tab, there you will see any updates, information that you might need to find about this module in the news forum. Please check this regularly. The module information tab has information regarding the module handbook. It has some information on strategies for reading for you, and it also has the reading frame for analysis here, as you can see, which is a kind of generic framework to help you analyse some of the papers that you might be reading in your specialisms. So the introduction tab, has a link to this quick Moodle tour, and it will have, when it's been completed, a link to the introductory lecture for the module. This tab here is concerned with your feedback, so please make sure that you have a look at this and that you engage in the different questionnaires so that we can get your feedback on how your experiences have been in this module. The Independent Study Task and Checklist tab has a list of all the independent study tasks that we want you to engage with at various different times in the module. Now, how you manage this is largely up to you. Please make sure that you engage in all the tasks. We have pegged them off at different stages through the development of the module. So, you might have to do tasks 1, 2 and 3 at a certain point. Please engage with them. If you have time and you want to go on and do tasks 4, 5 and 6, by all means do so. But the important thing is that you pace yourselves. You do these tasks when you can. But the important thing is, please complete them all by the end of this module. Your assignment tab. All the information that is necessary for you regarding your assignment. Now, this is where it gets tricky, and you must pay attention to the themes that you are engaging with. For example, assessment and measurement. For example, differentiation and inclusion. Motivation. And effective pedagogies. So these are the 4 main themes that you're engaging with. There is a tab for each of these themes. Make sure that you locate any relevant reading materials, all the relevant presentations under each theme. The rest of the tabs are concerned with the specialisms. So we have a tab for the specialist students in health and well-being, which is here, in literacy, which is here, in mathematics, which is here, and in modern foreign languages, which is here. Please just be aware that there are tabs for the themes involved in this module and also for the specialisms involved in this module. It's important that you locate these tabs because all the readings will be deposited under each tab for each specialism. There is no generic area for all the readings for all the subjects in this in this module. So you must become familiar with the idea of themes and of specialisms. So I hope that's been helpful. There will be plenty of time to discuss these issues, but please make sure that you familiarise yourself with the layout of the module. It is slightly different. You need to know what your themes are. You need to know what your specialisms are. Okay, thanks for now.